Good evening, guys. So this is just a random video that I intended to do for the sake of people and for anyone that is looking for a job or any job seeker around. If it's not you, you might be knowing someone that has been constantly applying for a job without success. This could be one of the reasons why you are not getting that call. Number one, this is the tip number one. I'll be sharing other tips as we continue in this platform and even on my YouTube channel, Nyakio Daisy Official. Whenever you are applying for a job, always avoid saying that you are applying for any position or for any job. That's a red flag. Most recruiters will see that you don't have any sense of direction or you don't know what you actually want. Always be specific in your job application. If you are applying even for a casual position, maybe you don't have so much academic qualifications, you just want like a cleaner job or a general worker job, just be specific that you are applying for a casual position or for a general worker position, because that one at least you have at least become specific for that particular role. But you can't just be calling and saying that you can work anywhere, you can do any job, because you might think that you are casting the net wide, but in real sense, you are just limiting yourself. Because, for instance, there's a time I received a call from a lady. She was saying that naweza fanya tu kazi yoyote, or like I can do any job. So I asked her, can you bake a bread, because we had a vacancy at the bakery? She said no, she has not started baking or pastry. Okay, can you operate a tractor, because we were requiring a tractor driver? She cannot, because she does not have the driving license for that class of vehicles or the plant operators, the plant machinery or whatever. So you see, I asked her, can you do housekeeping? No, because she has not studied anything matters accommodation or hotel management. So you see, this particular person is saying that she can do any work, but from the three options that I gave her, she cannot work in any of those. But if she was specific that she is looking for a casual work or a general work like gardening, sweeping around, that one could have been more specific. So rule number one, whenever applying for a job, always be specific. Another thing is, people, you find that someone is applying for a job, but they don't specify the position. Like they just write on the subject applying for a job. If it's an accountant job, write that applying for a accountant job position. If it's a housekeeper, be specific, applying for a housekeeping position. Don't just write that applying for a position or job application. Make the headline very specific so that it can even make work easier for the HR of the or the recruiting team. From the emails, they can be able to know this one is applying for a chef position, this one is applying for housekeeping, yeah, and any other position that is advertised. Thank you. Keep it here. I'll keep on sharing some more tips on the job seeking, and I wish you success in your job seeking journey. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section. I'll be responding to them as we continue interacting. Have a good evening.